An unusual assortment of houses popped up rather suddenly in this park along the Potomac River in Washington. The houses are entries in the Solar Decathlon, a 2-year competition to design, build, and operate homes powered entirely by solar energy. Richard King is with the U.S. Department of Energy, the sponsor of the event.
It's a 2-year project for universities to design, build, raise funds, put a team together, the culmination of which is to bring them here on the National Mall, set them up, open the houses to the public, but at the same time running a competition to see who's got the best house.
The Energy Department receives about 40 proposals from universities across the United States and around the world. The best ideas are awarded grants to begin design and construction. This year, grants went to 19 student project teams in architecture, engineering, and design.
We have got 6 recycled containers here.
Shifeng Shen from Tongji University in Shanghai showed us China's entry. Participants are expected to build a house suitable for their region of the world. The Chinese team designed a house made of old shipping containers from the port of Shanghai. Densely populated Chinese cities have limited space, so Team China designed a space that converts 2 bedrooms into a single large living space. Each solar-powered house must produce as much energy as it consumes.
In this tank is used for the floor heat system.
The houses are judged in 10 categories, including architecture, engineering, and affordability. Shifeng Shen says China team's house costs less than $250,000.
Actually, it is cheaper than the normal house in Shanghai.
Teams often work around concepts. After tornadoes destroyed neighborhoods near the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, the students there decided to design a house for disaster victims.
It's all reclaimed lumber.
Carolyn Mesha is an architect on the design team.
Our home consists of 2 modules. They're entirely prefabricated, so they are ready before a disaster strikes. Then when a disaster does strike, they're shipped on a single truck. They can be shipped to the disaster site within 24 hours.
This year's winning house from the team at the University of Maryland caught the eye of the judges because it integrated several solar technologies. Lynn Hugh is an architect on the Maryland team.
Initial concept was we want to create an integrative design, so instead of just having solar power to include aspects of water conservation, because there's a huge issue that we're facing today. And will continue to face into the future.
Maryland's design also features a kind of micro-wetland just outside the bathroom that naturally recycles wastewater from the house. For organizers, the Solar Decathlon is an opportunity to introduce the next generation of architects, engineers, and designers to clean energy technology. For students, it's a real-world work experience that will serve them over a lifetime. Jeff Swycord, VOA News, Washington.